Congratulations to AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter Schools on being selected as the best DC preschool in Washington Parent Magazine's 2024 Parent Picks. Early education is the foundation of educational success. Former Secretary General of the United Nations, Ban Ki-moon, said, "Education promotes equality and lifts people out of poverty. It teaches children how to become good citizens. Education is not just for a privileged few, it is for everyone." Congratulations again, and thank you for your work supporting the district's youngest learners.
Congratulations to AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter School on being selected by the Washington Parent Magazine as the best DC preschool for 2024. You are the parents' pick. Thank you to the hardworking staff. Those are some lucky families to have you. And from at-large Councilmember Robert White, I want to say thank you for your work and congratulations on this recognition.
Good morning. I'm at-large Councilmember Kenyan McDuffie, and today I'm thrilled to congratulate AppleTree Early Learning Public Charter School for being named Best DC Preschool by the prestigious Washington Parent Magazine 2024 Parent Picks. This is an incredible achievement for not only AppleTree's faculty and leadership, but to all the immensely talented students who strive to be great, especially considering they were nominated by other esteemed institutions. On behalf of the entire Council of the District of Columbia, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the staff and students and all the amazing people associated with AppleTree. Please keep up the phenomenal work.
Hello, I'm Dr. Michelle Walker-Davis, Executive Director of the DC Public Charter School Board. I am ecstatic to applaud AppleTree Public Charter School for being named the best DC preschool by Washington Parent Magazine's 2024 Picks. From opening the only public charter pre-K school in Ward 3 to constantly upgrading learning spaces, we at DCPCSB notice the heart and soul this community puts into making a quality education fun, nurturing, and accessible. I am DC Charter proud to work alongside the amazing community at AppleTree Public Charter School and can't wait to see how they find new ways to continue illuminating paths for our district's youngest learners. Congratulations.
Good morning to the teachers, school leaders, and our pre-K families at the AppleTree Waterfront campus in Southwest DC. My name is Paul Kihn. I'm the Deputy Mayor for Education for Washington, D.C., and I bring warm greetings on behalf of the Bowser administration in celebrating today's open house. D.C. is proud to lead the nation in providing 3- and 4-year-olds with access to free pre-kindergarten. Free pre-K has not only made D.C. a fantastic city in which to raise a family, but it has significant educational and social benefits for our young people, and AppleTree is a big part of our ability to do that. So congratulations on today's open house, and congratulations to everyone at AppleTree on being named the best DC preschool in Washington Parent Magazine's 2024 Picks. Thank you, and have a great school year.